Hello kids, how are you all? Welcome to our channel Empower Study. So in this video we are going to learn living and non-living things. So today we are going to learn things around us, living things, characteristics of living things and non-living things. Children, just observe around you. You can see many different things like bag, butterfly, birds, fan, pencil, dog, table and chair, books, bottle, many things. So all these things can be classified into two main categories, that is living and non-living things. So first of all we will see what are the living things. Things which have life in them are called living things. For example, human being, horse, fish, butterfly, birds. All these things are called living things. Now living things are having some special features or characteristics. That can be living thing move, living thing breathe, living things need food, living things grow, living things feel changes around them, and living things reproduce. So all these characteristics we will learn in detail. So first characteristic is living thing move. Human beings move from one place to another place with the help of their legs. Animals such as horse, cat, cheetah, they move with the help of their legs too. Now, fish swim in the water with the help of their fins. Birds and insects fly with the help of their wings. Now, do you know, children, why do the living things move? Living things move in the search of food, water, shelter, and protect themselves from the enemy. Because of these all reasons, living things move from one place to another place. But do you know, children, plant or tree is also a living thing? Yes. But have you observed plant or tree moving from one place to another place? Of course no. But do you know, children, why they don't move from one place to another place? Because plant can make their own food. So there is no need to move from one place to another place. Now next characteristic is living things breathe. Children, just keep your hand on your chest and you will feel something. Yes, your chest is coming up and going down. So when we breathe in, air will go into our lungs and chest will comes up, and when we breathe out, air will come out from our lungs and it will goes down. So living things breathe. Now you can see the next picture is the zoom picture of the grasshopper, that is an insect. So insects such as mosquitoes, grasshopper, ant, cockroach, they breathe through the air holes. Air holes are present on their body, which is a small tiny opening. You can see in the picture it is expanding and shrinking. Now frog is an amphibian, right? It can live on the land as well as in the water. Now when they are on the land, it can breathe with the help of the nostril, and when the frog is inside the water, it can breathe through their skin. Now fish lives in the water. Fish breathe through their gills. Like us, plant also breathe. Yes. On the leaf there is a small opening called stomata. With the help of stomata, plant breathe. When they breathe in, they takes in the carbon dioxide, and when they breathe out, they gives us the oxygen. So plant breathe through the stomata. So all living thing breathe. The next characteristic is living thing need food. Yes, we all need food because we want to grow and we require energy to do lots of work. Like us, birds also need food. What does a bird eat? A bird can eat insects as well as it can drink the nectar from the flower. What does an insect eat? Insects can eat leaves as well as different things. Now the animals like rabbit, deer, giraffe, they are called the herbivorous animals. They eat the plant products. And the animals like lion, tiger, cheetah, They are the carnivorous animals. So these animals can eat the flesh of the other animal. Now all these living things depend for the food on each other. But plant is also a living thing. But plant is an independent living thing because they can make their own food with the help of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. So all living things need food. Now next characteristic is living thing grow. Have you observed your old picture when you were baby? Yes, at that time you were crawling. Afterwards you learn how to walk and run. So living things grow. From a baby they become young. From young they become adult and they grow old. Like us, animals also grow. You can see in the picture from puppy, it can be grown into a big dog. Like us, plant also grow. From a seed, it will germinate and become a young plant, and from a young plant, it will become a big, huge tree slowly and gradually. So all the living things grow. Living things feel changes. Have you experienced cold during the winter? Of course, yes. At that time, what we used to wear? We used to wear woolen clothes because we can feel the cold. And during the summer, we used to feel hot. At that time, we used to wear cotton clothes. Like us, plants also feel changes around them. You can see in the picture, this is the mimosa plant. You can say it the touch-me-not plant. Do you know why it is called touch-me-not plant? Because when it is touched, it starts closing. So it is called the touch-me-not plant. Like that, lotus and the morning glory flower opens up when the sun rises and closes down when the sun sets. We all know about the sunflower. Sunflower moves in the direction of the sunlight. Like this, insects also feel changes around them. The insects such as grasshopper, mosquito, ant, they feel changes with the help of their antennae. Living things reproduce. Human being give a birth to a baby. Cat give birth to kittens. Monkey also give birth to a baby. Birds lay eggs. And plants also reproduce with the help of the seed. And as well as they can reproduce with the different parts of plants such as stem, leaf and roots. So all the living things reproduce. Now we will see the non-living things. Now what are called the non-living things? Things do not have life are called the non-living thing. For example, bag, table, book, wood are called the non-living things. Non-living things cannot grow, they cannot move, they cannot feel the changes around them as well as they cannot reproduce. So that's all for today's video. We will meet soon. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourself.